Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. The closing bell has sounded and the markets are just slightly higher. The Dow was up about 72 points. The S&P was up about 2.5 points, and the NASDAQ almost up to 8 points. But as you can see, once again, as a percentage of change, hardly any change at all. Oil prices took a quick dip this morning. Let's take a look at those futures. Now, it is still not as high as it was earlier this month. The futures are hovering around $56 a barrel. This is actually down just slightly. Some of the reason why? Well, there is some anxiety about OPEC's meeting next week. The cartel is going to be discussing whether or not to extend the production cuts that are going to expire next March. However, there are concerns that Russia may not go for the idea. Plus, the U.S. is continuing to increase its output at a near record pace. Analysts say that's why it appears investors are trying to reduce their exposure to the oil markets and lock in their gains before the end of the year. Also, Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen says she will leave the central bank entirely when her successor is sworn in next year. President Trump decided last month not to nominate Yellen for a second term, but her position as a Fed governor was not set to expire until the year 2024, and she could have had a vote on monetary policy until then. But in her letter to the president, she announced that she is moving on, but until then, she will do her utmost to ensure a smooth transition. The earnings report season is wrapping up. Tomorrow, before the market opens, we are going to be hearing from the folks at Campbell's, Hormel Foods, and Lowe's, and we will have those results as soon as they come in. That's it for the Real Investment News. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube page. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow morning.